to my channel. Today we are going to try another head wrap. I hope you all are doing well. Follow along with me if you are interested on this beginner friendly head wrap style that I'm going to do today. My hair was in a protective style for the week, and today I am going to turn it to a different style. And then now we have this scarf. We're gonna put it, fold it once, just like that. Make sure these two are even. Then we're gonna go like this. Fix the front, move it back a little bit. This is what it looks like. If you feel that it needs a little bit of water, you can spray it with water. If you want, you can put little earrings on. And then if you have like hair accessories, you can add some hair accessories to that. But this is the look. Okay, going to finish up with some lipstick. Okay, and this is the look for today. See the back. All right, I love this. I love it so much. I like this style. I like this look. I think it's very chic. And if you're trying it for the first time, practice a little bit because it will take time. It took me about almost 15 minutes because I had to do it over again. But I think it's easy once you practice and keep practicing. Gonna add a little bit of accessories because I'm not wearing any earrings. I have these things in my ears, which is, I don't know what it is. It's the earrings that I wore last weekend, and it's very painful. It's like a bunch of pimples, so I will not be wearing earrings. I'm not an earrings wearer anyways, but I'm gonna add these little things just to jazz it up a little bit. This is optional. You don't have to do this. I just would like to get this here and add this here. Okay, what do you think? I think it's beautiful. It's a beautiful accessories to add to it, and I have them handy. But I love this. This is so cute. Have fun with your hair. Try different things with your beautiful, gorgeous, natural hair. This is a beautiful style if you're going somewhere that's quick and festivities that you want just to show off your African style. And I hope you all have a fantastic day. Have fun with your hair. Happy holiday, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.